You have man a work man for garments, you know, shoes and material thing, you know. You have man a work man for house, you know. Man a bad mind people for phone.
In Kenya or in Swahili or even in their language that says whoever leaves their tradition is a slave.
Look down upon them that don't speak near in a Jamaica, in a world. Bless them with your mighty hand, God. Some of them born workless, me I try to change it.
But you're not going to see no righteous people that boast and that brag over material thing. Not time. Anytime you boast and brag over material thing, you're not righteous.
Me don't really like work, you know. Money me like.
So why you gonna get money if you not work?
That me I try to tell you, say me have to work, cause me like the money.
Welcome again, my viewers and subscribers. Today we're having a realistic talk about life and the system in Jamaica. Because enough people now take care of them system right, you know. Them are sick. People are sick every day in Jamaica right now. Based upon how them consume certain artificial food and everything there. And just the virus we have float around in the atmosphere to see them, because we can't stop sickness. Sickness is a part of life. Sometimes you go feel strong and sometimes you not go feel strong. It's just a part of life. And we have to keep the immune system strong so we can fight off certain things. You know what I mean? So new talk for new year, you know, is if you live clean and pure, you don't have to go seek the doctor to find a cure. See? So if you live clean and pure, you can prevent all negative and bad energy from forward to you. See? So that we are doing right now, and most of the people are Jamaica because the system.
Hello and welcome to Ward 2 North. Here we have the female bathroom equipped with 3 toilets, 3 sinks, and a shower for the patients, female patients. It's the utility closet, so this will store all the medical equipment for the nurses and doctors. This is where the nurses will be working to monitor all the patients in the ward. With foot press sinks. This is where you have the sluice area and cabinet space. And we have the male restroom similar to the female, 3 toilets, 3 sinks, as well as a shower. The ward holds at least 37 patients at any time. Sometimes they have more beds put in the space to accommodate more patients. Has a functioning light, as well as oxygen supply. And that is Ward 2 North.
The health system are free healthcare. We have free healthcare in Jamaica basically. We are from the clinic to even the to the public hospital them. It's free. And some private doctor and them different places you have to go pay. But if you go to the public hospital or the clinic, you don't have to pay. Free, all medication free, so whatever free. But it's the way the people them deal with it, all them people who are working at them place that come out and bring them problems from them yard, come in at the workspace. Because the way them deal with people, I tell you, the way them deal with people, it's not right. Them deal with people like people on a body. And because them say people them desperate and in need, them take advantage of the situation. Because them know so the people them want the help. So them deal the patient them any type of way them want to deal the patient them. The nurses them and the doctor them and the dentist. Them people come like them bring them problem come and work, because when the poor people them are depend upon the service, because as I said the service free. So if you feel sick or any type of way, you can go to the clinic at Jamaica and get free service. Where the doctor them and the nurse them and the dentist them deal with the patient them. So my tell you, if you wonder why I want to go on, I feel whole day, you will go there and you feel a type of way, you feel sick in yourself, you probably have a teeth problem, probably you just feel whatever way you feel, because it's just a life just having you down. And you go there, them people they please themselves before them attend to your problem, you know. Them dep on them phone.
Me don't really like work, you know. Money me like.
So you gonna get money for her?
That me I try to tell you, say me have to work, cause me like the money. But I don't really work, me like. I don't see money.
Them a laugh and chat with them fellow co-worker.
First aid, sinful, bad bitch love bad.
They want to do everything. Them find everything for distract them before them come attend to you, the patient. So them deal with the people on the island, you know. I mean, no Jamaica know they will go through the free system where I forgot the clinic or get medication or whatever, check up. Them know the thing go. And everyone them nurse here will work at them place have good attitude and behavior.
Hi, my name is Shanisa Bryant. I'm a registered nurse at Jamaican Hospital. And what I enjoy about my work is that when I provide my services to persons and they show appreciation, they give me satisfaction.
And every one of them, some of them bring them problem come at work. And for the whole day they feel bad and them not even look at you. Them not even look at you. No matter people got them place and get fed up and left and I go dead. Just because them can't get local assistance.
Medical doctor who worked at the Anota Bay Hospital in St. Mary has been suspended for 1 year. This after he was found guilty of several charges of medical negligence by the Medical Council of Jamaica.
Now, the matter relates to a patient who died while he was treating her. But the victim's sister is alarmed that an autopsy was not a part of the police's investigation.
In February 2022, Melanie Gray Cohen attended Dr. Mohammed Khan's office in St. Anne to remove hemorrhoids. Melanie's sister agreed with her doctor that the procedure would be done under local anesthesia.
She told the doctor that something felt funny in her head as he gave her the medication, the injections to numb the area. She told him that she felt something funny in her head. Doctor said he thought it was anxiety, so he told her to start taking deep breaths, and then she started having seizures.
Husband and mother were alerted that something was wrong.
Melanie was then transferred to hospital by the doctor in his private car. On arrival, she was pronounced dead. It was later discovered that the procedure, the cutting per se, had not started, and the doctor had only administered anesthesia. The doctor has given verbal accounts of the incident, which he has indicated that he gave her mild sedation. His reports obviously have indicated that he only gave her local anesthesia.
Miss Gray said the manner in which her sister was moved and transported to the hospital was cause for concern.
He moved her from his car, from the facility to the car by sheet. So I argued that that was negligent and it put her life at risk. I argued that the supply of oxygen was not consistent because, of course, when she was being moved from the operating room to the car, she was not on oxygen. I argued that he allowed untrained persons to administer care to her because her husband, who is untrained, was asked to use an ambo bag to resuscitate her. He's never been trained. He doesn't know how to operate it. He indicated to me that he was just squeezing. And I am CPR certified, and there is a process. And that process would have obviously compounded her situation if he said that he never took a break.
I'm not joke thing, man. A serious thing, man. Them people need to check themselves. All of them because of this bossy life and this hype life, and them feel like them better than people because them might can't afford. When them sick, you think them go to a public hospital, a private hospital them go, and private clinic. Them not use the same system where you and I use. Because them can afford it. You and I can't afford it. Yeah? That's why them deal with the people them, so because them feel like them better than people. Because them can afford and have the education and knowledge and this and that. Or if you have education and knowledge and not deal people properly. Because if you have that wisdom and that understanding in life through book work or through learning from institution or university, you're supposed to have that genuine love in there for people, for the people on a realistic level. You can feel people pain and consider people on a high level as how you consider yourself. Or them have them knowledge and them wisdom than them not the people. Right. Because knowledge pave the way to love. And all them people have so much knowledge and overstand, and them now no love na them. Them now no consideration to them. But them work in these high places. No enough how we affected by that. And we now know outlet it's like the mind of the people them upon material thing and vanity more than the situation and the condition we are going in the island or in the country. Them put a blind eye, them turn a blind eye to the reality of what going on in the country right now. Zane?
I will say you was a nurse, babes, and me can make a send for the first aid.
We now control ourselves. Because we not focus properly, we not think the right way again in ourselves, because the material things them have our attention more than ourselves. We love money more than how we even love ourselves nowadays. You have man kill man for car, you know. You have man hurt man for car, you know. You have man hurt man for garments, you know, shoes and material thing, you know. You have man hurt man for house, you know, wall, you know, and steal and them thing there. Man a bad mind people for phone. Man a bad mind man for woman. Man a bad mind man because man can travel and him can't travel. So all them corrupted mindset there, I make a place can't become in harmony. Because one man might get the opportunity and feel like him better than him friend now because him can fly or him can build a house or this, and the ones that are on the opposite side now think positively neither. For just know so watch out. Some man does now all the meds, them feel like some little material thing make them feel like them better than we.
Greatest thing you're not dead, brother. Oh, I know say it's easy for some man make certain utterance and get out of it. And me as an individual, you normally pay them things in my mind. A man can tell them 1,000,000 times. I'm overlook it. Because he's a man slow to react. See? However, on this,
it make them feel like them don't know where they come from. You see me I say, and then they always make the ego boots up basically, material thing, boots ego. Hype life, boots ego. Not knowing self, boots ego. You know what? You're not going to see no righteous people that boast and brag over material thing. Not time. Anytime you boast and brag over material thing, you're not righteous. You're not righteous. No time at all. So you see them that make for them youth and people and women and all even the juvenile them now. I make a fool of themselves.
Your ratings do none of this. Your ratings do none of this. Cross! The money gone! It gone! What? The money gone!
Because of the this viral thing, you want to go viral, you want to show the world say this and that, and me don't know, because of likes and views and them things that really and truly it's just some little game them a play, some little folly thing, some little skin teeth thing, wind up and skin out thing them a deal with. Yeah, and I push the wrong, and I promote and I push the wrong agenda and I use them mindset. Them not promote nothing cultural and them thing there. Yeah, so the material side of thing make the thing just flirt up on a level where people now see love again. The system corrupt, you know, man. The system corrupt, I tell you. The people them just lose them cultural mindset. We go play a clip so one can get information and more knowledge of how some other traditional lifestyle is out there now, because now we are certain thing, you know. If we not lose on the culture and switch from on the traditional cultural liberty and mindset and spiritual connection, we not become slave to other culture, you know. So we're gonna play a clip, you can hear it for yourself.
The Maasai consciously decide against a modern life.
They decided to keep their tradition because there is a saying in Kenya or in Swahili or even in their language that says whoever leaves their tradition is a slave, and they don't want to be slaves. That's why they keep on holding on to their culture.
Even entertain them, the musician them, the entertainer them, the one people them where say them are influencer, more drama, we love more, we love just brag and boast over nothing, over material thing. It's not like we are bragging and boasting over our talent and everything there. We are bragging and boasting over material thing. So you see, look how tornado we are spinning in our island right now. From the Babylonian thing forward, right down. From the edge of the stream, dirty. The people them desperate and needy, so anything the Babylon them fling out there. The people them quick to grab one panic. Right now, people are suffering now. People have it hard now. People are dead for hungry in Jamaica right now and can't find you $50 right now. You know? I tell you that, you know. It's rough, you know. So them don't get in our mind already. We now think we are losing culture, we are losing self, we want to hurt black brothers and sisters because of material thing. So the whole thing just half balance right now. And I want the people to see them thing, they feel them vibration there. At that time, I see and I feel, you know, if you know, so watch out. It thing make a big shift, you know. I don't know if I went, if I from the COVID time I went, but it thing make a big shift. People lost love, the vibe, the energy, the traditional way of life, all them things is lost. A certain part of the island they can teach and hold up them kind of traditional way of living in the islands right now. We want to live in a big house and them big house and dip on yacht and travel go on space and them things. And them life they want to live to come brag and boast from we fellow brothers and sisters. We don't want to try to help them and give them opportunity or create opportunity for them. Rather go live life selfishly by ourselves and a business with them. That rather do. Because that selfish mindset I take over the whole place. You want to have it and me not have it. Me want to have it and you not have it. That mindset they are mash up enough for it. In Jamaica. No need to let go them mindset and cut and clear them vibration there. And make the cleanness and pureness flow through mind, body and soul. And purge out and start prevent bad energy and negativity from come around. Feed the mind with the right thing. If you feed the mind with crap every day, what do you think happen to you? You're going to live a crappy lifestyle. You're going to live a messy lifestyle. You're not going to live a righteous lifestyle because where you feed the mind and the power, you know. So if you feed the mind every day with badness, if you feed the mind every day with negativity, if you feed the mind every day with jealousy, if you feed the mind every day with lusting, you're going to always in a problem because when you feed the mind, you're going to live, you're going to think. And you become what you think about. You become what you think about. So I send this out there to my brothers and sisters them. Feed the mind with the right thing. Feed the body with the right thing. Live up, love yourself, respect yourself, and you're going to know the value of love and respect when you're giving that to someone else. Know that. Because the system right now have a whole of our mind like a tornado. We are thinking all over the place. We can't find that peace of mind in ourselves again. If we sit beyond the moment, we just have, we just live in the moment because enough of we can't find it. It's hard, rough, tough. We give up on ourselves. We never want to see people again. You see me I say? Someone want them to know, man. Say, yo, let go the material mindset. Dash for that. And live more clean and pure. And love black brothers and sisters. Love the people and love on yourself. Matter of fact, love starts from inner yourself. Love yourself and start love your black brothers and sisters them. And let go this materialistic mindset. Because I make you hurt yourself, A material thing make you hurt yourself and nothing else, I just material thing make you hurt yourself. If I take away the material thing, less crime and violence go on. If you like this type of content, like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment. If this vibration reach out there in the universe, and connect, everything is unfolding as it should. And we give thanks, hopeful and mighty.